aggravating circumstances. Paragraph 1. That advantage be taken by the offender of his public position. Paragraph 2. That the crime be committed in contempt or with insult to the public authorities. Paragraph 3. That the act be committed with insult or in disregard the respect due offended party on account of his rank, age, or sex, or that be committed in the willing of the offended party if the latter has not given provocation. Paragraph 4. That the act be committed with abuse of confidence or obvious ungratefulness. Paragraph 5. That the crime be committed in the palace of chief executive or in the presence or with public authorities and engage in the discharge of their duties or in the place dedicated to religious worship. Paragraph 6. That the crime be committed in the night time or in the uninhabited place or by a band whenever such circumstances may facilitate the commission of the offense. Whenever more than 3 armed malefactors shall have acted together in commission of an offense, it shall be deemed to have been committed by a band. Paragraph 7. That the crime be committed on the occasion of a conflagration, shipwreck, earthquake, epidemic, or other calamity or misfortune. Paragraph 8. That the crime be committed with the aid of armed men or person to ensure on or afford impunity. Paragraph 9. That the accused is a recidivist. A recidivist is one who, at the time of his trial for one crime, shall have been previously convicted by a final judgment of another crime embraced in the same title of this code. Paragraph 10. That the offender has been previously punished by an offense to which the law attaches an equal or greater penalty, or for 2 or more crimes to which it attaches a lighter penalty. Paragraph 11. That the crime be committed in consideration of price, reward, or promise. Paragraph 12. That the crime be committed by means, in addition, fire, poison, implosion, stranding or abyssals, or international damage thereto, derailment of locomotive, or by use of any artifice involving great waste and pain. Paragraph 13. That the act be committed with evidence predication. Paragraph 14. That the craft, fraud, or disguise be employed. Paragraph 15. That the advantage be taken of superior strength or means be employed be weaken the defense. Paragraph 16. That the act be committed with treachery, alevosía. There is treachery when the offender commits any of the crime against the persons employing means, methods, or forms in the executive, therefore, which tend directly, especially to ensure in execution without rest to himself, arising the defense with the offended party might make. Paragraph 17. That the means be employed or circumstances brought about which add ignominy to natural effect of the act. Paragraph 18. That the crime be committed after the unlawful entry. Paragraph 19. There is an unlawful entry when the entrance of crimes a wall, roof, floor, door, or window be broken. Paragraph 20. That the crime be committed with the aid of the person under 15 years of age or by means of motor vehicles, motorized watercraft, airship, or other similar means. Paragraph 21. That the wrong done in the commission of the crime be deliberately augmented by causing other wrong not necessary for its commission.